I need to catch all this on record.
What are you doing? Did it?
At what point are you gonna stop?
When he hurts himself. Get. Why are you up there? You're gonna fall.
Jump. Just tell him jump. That's what he wants you to tell him.
No, I'm not gonna tell him to jump so I can feel bad when he breaks his neck.
No, break your neck.
Get down.
Don't break your neck.
Get down.